In this video I'm going to show you how I made my dream desk, an electric standing desk made with scaffold boards. I started with 3 brand new scaffold boards at 1.8 meters long. My previous desk was made from used boards and I loved the character of them, but felt like trying something that would give me a cleaner look. The first job was to remove all the metal banding from the ends of the boards. I added wood glue to the length of the edges and glued them all together. Making sure to clamp from both top and bottom, applying even pressure. I cut down some extra pieces of wood for the ends of the desk to add some support. After gluing these into place and clamping it down, I pre-drilled some holes through this into the bottom of the tabletop. I went through and added countersink holes to each of these so the screws would sit flush. The boards weren't all perfectly the same length, so I used the circular saw to square these off. I then sanded down the desk, but I'm sure you're bored of watching people sand wood. For the frame of the desk I'm using a pre-built kit. The guys at FURNA sent over one of their E2 electric standing desks in black. There's a link below to their website. I followed the instructions, which were super easy and clear to understand. All I needed was a drill. They provided all the other tools. Once the frame was built, I screwed this directly into the bottom of the desk. I then connected up all the electrics. To add to my dream desk setup, I added a screen mount that clamps on the back of the desk. I also picked up one of these wireless chargers that I could flush mount into the desktop itself. This is where I made a big mistake. Instead of heading back to my workshop and bringing over my drill press, I decided to try and drill this 65mm hole by hand. I'm sure you can guess where this is going. I persevered, but it made quite a mess. If you have any ideas on how I can help cover this up, drop me a comment below. Next I added a cage at the back to hold the cables. Now all the electrics were wired up, it meant I could just raise the desk instead of having to crouch underneath it. The desk is super easy to use and has 4 memory buttons you can program with your different heights in. There are tons of health benefits for standing desk and I really enjoy using it. This goes great with that bent wood laptop stand I made last year. Make sure you check that video out. For a list of items and materials used, check out the written guide. Hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like, share and subscribe.